Hi, good morning. This is Mel again. We have another video for you. Today I'm gonna be root pruning and repotting a small Trident maple. But before that, I want to show you some of my trees that starting to have some foliage. I have one here. This is a Chinese elm, a corkbark elm, and look at it. There is a lot of nice small foliage that is coming out, and look at the branches, the ramification of it. It's really small. There you go. And there's another one. This is liquid ambar orientalis, or sweet gum, oriental sweet gum. Yeah, here you go. Look, nice small foliage, and look how old the branches are. Really nice. You know, I think this is the front. Okay, so let's move on to the video. Let's watch the repotting. Thank you. I'm gonna be working on this little Trident maple. It's time for root pruning. I noticed that there's a lot of roots on the bottom, and I think it's pushing it up. That's why the tree and the surface of the soil are like bulging up. So this needs definitely a root pruning, and as you can see at the bottom, they try to come out now. So yeah, we need this to be worked out. So let's start by slashing the side of the pot by my spatula, and we're gonna remove these excess roots. And look at it, it has too much roots. If I don't repot it today and wait for another year, the tree might die. And look how many roots I removed. There are so many. This is almost as big as the pot. And now the pot is ready and cleaned, and I already wired it and put some screen. So all we need is to put another soil and have it ready for the tree. And here's the tree. Already a lot of roots that was removed, and still have a fair amount of soil in the root ball. And I don't do bare rooting. I am scared to do that because I'm putting my tree at risk, and that I don't do. So it's better like this, and all my trees has been healthy and great for the past decade, so I think I'm good. These rocks or pebbles are my favorite. I always put this aquarium rocks on top of my surface soil because they're not only looks great and nice, but it holds the soil when you water it, so there's like a double purpose for it. Always press it by hand to make it intact. I really push it really hard and nice. And now it's time for the shower. I make sure I water it thoroughly. Just want it to be really wet and soaked, especially after repotting. And here it is. It's fresh from root pruning and now ready for another 2 to 3 years, just maybe 2 years of another root pruning. The branches are doing great.